Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the recorder is powered and running the latest firmware. This reduces handshake failures. Open the Xvrview app on your phone while both phone and recorder share the same Wi-Fi subnet. Then navigate to the recorder's network or system menu and copy the device UID or scan its QR code. Once you have the UID, choose the P2P or cloud add method inside the app. Enter the UID, a descriptive name, and the admin credentials to initiate the first connection. After entering the UID, the app will ask for the recorder's admin username and password. Use the exact credentials from the XVR to authenticate. This grants streaming rights and avoids permission errors. Select the P2P or cloud connection type for one-step linking. If you prefer direct access, enable port forwarding for the recorder's streaming ports on your router and set a fixed local IP. Once authenticated, the app negotiates the stream, and you should see a low-latency live preview start within seconds. Finish by saving the device to your app and testing playback, timeline scrub, and recorded video access. Add any additional viewer accounts if needed. If the live stream fails, first reboot the XVR and phone, then re-enter the UID or re-scan the QR code. Transient network auth often clears after a restart. If problems persist, make sure router NAT and firewall aren't blocking P2P or streaming ports, and verify recorder time and time zone match the app, because mismatched timestamps can block playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.